Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Fearing for the worst this evening, a mother in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine is seeking your help to find her daughter. 24-year-old Michaela McLeod was last seen on the 3rd of September, and our family members, including her 2-year-old son, are desperate.
It's always the worst kind of feeling to describe. A parent whose child has gone missing. It's exactly what is etched in the emotion of Odette Otti, being consoled by relatives because she has not seen her daughter in 2 weeks.
She went missing from the 3rd of September, 10:30. Yeah. Because she bring her son to school, and when she came back from school, she came by me. And we were there talking, and she get a phone call. And that's when she turned out of the yard and tell me that she soon come back in.
And so, she checked by Michaela's house when she did not return like she said.
And when I went by her house, I saw her going into a taxi. And when I said to her, so where you going? She said to me that, Mom, me soon come, me going in Old Harbour. Don't see her back at 2 o'clock. Like she timed the baby till the baby come from school 2 o'clock. When the baby come from school 2 o'clock now, she called the phone and my daughter answered the phone and said, Michaela, where you is? And she said to her, me soon come.
Instead of coming back, her daughter called to check on her 2-year-old son around 2 p.m. that day.
The little baby said, let me talk to my mommy. And she said, give him the phone. And when they give him the phone, him say, me go bring KFC for you and kiss.
But that KFC didn't come. Neither did the kiss cake, because Michaela has not been seen or heard from since.
When we tried to call her phone, that phone just goes straight to voicemail.
The Old Harbour Bay police were notified and are investigating. Family members, fearing the worst, were seen searching the swamp areas in Old Harbour Bay Monday, assisted by police. Miss Otti has also been receiving threatening calls.
I said, if you have Michaela, why you don't make me talk to Michaela? Because Michaela baby was crying at the same time. And I told him, I said, listen, you hear this little infant crying? If you have a heart, send Michaela home to him. Him tell me that if me want to hear Michaela's voice is when he must stab Michaela screaming. And he must go dump him and put him in a hole. And I said, the blood of Jesus is against you.
Police are trying to track the person who made that call. Compounded too, because she has also been receiving fake news. People claiming her daughter's body was found in Salt River or that she was seen at the Jamaican hospital.
We are so concerned about her and concerned about our little 2-year-old son that now is in pain.
How is he taking it?
He's not taking it well because whenever time he come from school, he always asks for his mom because his mom always come by after school and pick him up and bring him to him house. He's not even eating.
Our little son bad for her night and day. The little baby miss her mother. She normally not there if she stay with her mother. Me tell her, it's hard.
And so, they're desperate for Michaela's return.
And anyone of her, I'm asking them please to release her because our child need her. Whosoever have Michaela, please have a heart and send her home, even to throw her on the roadside and let me find her body.
Police in Old Harbour Bay told our correspondent they will continue searching this week. Giovanni.